Introducing the thinking of tomorrow, today. A product that will change the way you bathe forever. Bringing the luxury and comfort of a spa right to your fingertips. Introducing Symphony Spa. A smart water heater with the magic of advanced 9-layer Puropod technology that transforms the hardest water silky soft, so you can finally say goodbye to hair damage and hello to beautiful hair and a more radiant skin. A splash-proof AI-enabled water heater with smart bath technology that is intuitive, interactive,
Water ready.
intelligent, making your bath smart. Symphony, the era of smart bath is here.